If you're a business owner, you might have thought about taking your logo and slapping it on a shirt to sell it for some extra revenue. But here's the catch. Your customers aren't always as obsessed with your brand as you are. In fact, around 50% of apparel design sellers say their initial designs flop because it was just a shirt with their logo on it. So how do you create branded merch that people actually want to buy? The secret is to connect with the heart of your audience. I'm working with Adobe on this project to show you exactly how to do that with Adobe Express, which is free for anyone on desktop and mobile. Imagine you own a farm that sells local eggs and homemade bread. Your customers value local and organic products. So instead of just placing your logo on a shirt, you should create designs that resonate with their values. For example, using a farm style quote like "Shop local, support your neighbor." You can change it to your brand colors and add a graphic that resembles your brand. Your logo can go on the back of the shirt itself. This simple touch makes your merch more meaningful and aligned with what your customers deeply care about, making them more likely to hit purchase. The best part is you can start with this template for free on Adobe Express and get this design or any other branded design printed on a t-shirt, poster, flyer, or whatever kind of item you'd like to turn into branded merch directly through Adobe Express. Check the description below for the direct link to this template so you can get started creating your own branded merch on Adobe Express today.